everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am coming at you with my kit lineup for my memory planner in April. I am super excited to be sharing this with you. No D-stash giveaway this time. I am building back up my stock after giving away all of my leftovers in the past couple of videos, but the next giveaway will probably be in my May lineup. But in the meantime, I still have some really fun sticker kits to show you coming your way. So first up to start, I thought I would show you this kit from Paper Trail Plans, which is a 2-page journaling kit on transparent matte paper. And this is what I plan to use on my April monthly spread. So this will actually be the last thing that I plan for April because I wait until the whole month is done to do a line a day memory keeper, like a one thing a day highlight memory spread in here. And they've been super fun. I've just been having a blast putting these together. And mostly what I've been doing is using journaling kits for them on transparent matte paper. I just think it looks so nice. It's like a much more white spacey look than I typically do in my weekly spreads, and it's really fun to mix it up. So this one is called Spring Promise. Like I said, it's from Paper Trail Plans, and it is a 2-page kit. It has this page which has some like swatches, some larger floral pieces and different stuff, and then this page which has some very large deco, which for me is absolutely perfect for a monthly spread. This is totally what I'm looking for in a monthly spread, in a journaling kit to use in my monthly spread. So I'm really excited to be using that. Now, the first full week in April, which is the week of April 4th, is actually the week of my birthday, which is the 6th. I'm really excited, not for my birthday, but for planning and my birthday. I'm not really a big birthday person, to be honest, but I do have this very gorgeous kit from JK Creates Co. I do PR for her shop, so I have a coupon code, which is Lindsay15, and I also have a freebie from her shop, which I will put a picture of in the screen right now, but it's super cute, and it's foiled on transparent matte paper. I love it, and I've been using it so much lately, so super fun. Anyway, this kit is called The Next Chapter. This is actually available in all 3 foils, so you can choose which foil color you want. I got it in rose gold since it's my birthday, and rose gold is my favorite foil. And I just thought this was so pretty. I absolutely love the colors in this kit, like all the purples and everything. I cannot wait to use this. Again, it's just so stunning. So her kits are 5 pages, 4 of which are foiled and 1 of which is unfoiled. So you have your full boxes page with 9 full boxes. Then you have this functional page which has all of your date covers, your headers, and all of your sidebar stuff, plus some foiled words for the sidebar or for like headers, this week, work, meals, etc. Really useful, and I love that they're foiled. And then you have this is the unfoiled page, which is your functional page. It's just like a bunch of different size boxes. I do also want to point out that she has 1/8 or little thing size stuff in here. I love when shops include that because I always try and squeeze so much into my weekly plan with me that I need the little size stuff. So I do really like that. You've got some half boxes, some half box size layering pieces, 1/3 and 1/4, and like I said, the 1/8 boxes as well. Then you do have split bottom washi, this really pretty lace, and this really pretty floral there with all of the lovely rose gold foiling. And it is 2 different size washis. Then you have some hexagons, some checklists, and some plain and pattern washi. And then you have this page which has her doodle icons. She does sell these as like regular foiled icons in the shop as well that don't have the colorway behind them or like the sparkling on them. They're just like, you know, white with foiled outline. And then a bunch of different layering items and a selection of deco. Then she has an add-on for the kits as well that has just a bunch of florals on it. Here is what it looks like, and she actually included 4 of these in my order, so I will definitely be using all of the florals in this kit. So I'm really excited to plan with that kit, The Next Chapter from JK Creates Co. Now, the next week after this is really exciting. We're getting off to a very strong start in April, so we are actually going to be on vacation this week, on tropical vacation, so I'm really excited. We are going to a resort, and I got this kit called Summer Vacay from Scribble Prints Co. And I mean, I can't wait to plan with this, but really, let's be real, I can't wait to go on vacation. I am so excited. It was one of our huge goals for the year, and just, it's been a long time coming. I'm very excited. So this is the kit that I picked for this week. This was a very recent release from Scribble Prints Co., and I cannot wait to use this. Again, it's called Summer Vacay. It's got like all of these tropical vibes here. Love the fashion girls, and it comes with, this is the newest mini kit format, so this does come with the extra full boxes. Even in the mini kit, you've got all of the glitter headers, a little bit of layering items, the movie marquees, and the sidebar stuff is just kind of like squeezed around the other elements. It's a very functional mini kit. A bunch of deco. I love those watermelons. I just think they're so, so pretty. And then this is the new mini kit page, which has like a combination of solid and pattern little things, 1/3 boxes, quarter boxes, and labels. There are no more half boxes in the mini kit, but they are on the add-on page if you get the add-on page, which I have. Then the other big change for this format is that Andrea has split the bottom washi, and so now you have this pattern one, which is so gorgeous, and then the solid ombre one. I will most likely only use the pattern one and then replace the solid ombre with a simply gilded washi. So I'm really excited about that, and you still do get one other extra full box here. So there's so many full boxes in this kit, and then your date covers as well. Then the extra freebie, every one of her kits comes with a different freebie. Sometimes it's an extra full box, sometimes it's labels, sometimes it's doodles. It just depends on the kit. This one was a tall box, which has some of these lovely palm trees with the coconuts. I cannot wait to drink something out of a coconut, and I will definitely be using this, so very excited for that. So then, since it's a mini kit, I did get the add-on sheet, which is the new label sampler that goes with this. I mean, you can buy this even if you get the ultimate kit, although the ultimate kit comes with so much, I can't imagine needing the labels. But anyway, so this one you get 4 half boxes, 4 labels, and 4 of these little appointment label type things, little thing type things as well. So I'm actually trying to see if they're exactly the same size as a little thing. So they're just like a teensy bit bigger than a little thing, but like around the size of a quarter size box. So I'm really excited to try out this new format. I think it looks really, really functional. I really like the changes that she made, and yeah, I cannot wait for this week. Next up for the week of the 18th, so right when we get back from vacation, it is the week of Passover, and I thought that this kit called Bailey from Simply Watercolor Co. would be perfect for this week, just because of all of the baking vibes. Now, not usually baking, but we usually do have to do a lot of cooking, like way more cooking than usual during Passover and more intense cooking than usual during Passover, just because it's impossible to eat at restaurants. If you don't know, Passover has food restrictions around like what kind of grains you can eat, and basically you can't eat anything that uses leavening agents besides eggs, and there's like just like all these food rules around it. And we keep Passover in our home and with our kids, and the kids have to keep it at school as well. So there's gonna be a lot more cooking and meal prep going on that week as we prepare to have a week with no cereal or noodles for my 3 children under 6, which will be, you know, it's always an adventure. But anyway, I am nevertheless, it's still one of my favorite holidays just because of like the family gatherings around it. I think it's really fun, and I do really like cooking, so I thought this would be the perfect kit for that week. And this kit is called Bailey. It is from Simply Watercolor Co. and it is in rose gold foil, though I will say Simply Watercolor Co.'s rose gold is very gold tinted, and I actually don't buy rose gold from her shop typically because of that. I did get it because I love this kit, but I won't be using any rose gold foil like from non-Simply Watercolor Co. shops when I plan with this, just because I find that it doesn't match at all, and it usually drives me a little bit nuts to try and like look at the spreads when it's so not a match. So I will just be using other Simply Watercolor Co. stuff that I have basically for that week, and all of my doodles and all of my regular stuff like that. So it should be a fun and like very different creative kind of spread, like a little bit less foil than I typically do. Anyway, I'm still really excited for it, and that's why I bought it. And these are the full boxes. Here's the bottom washi. I think that's like really cute with the cookies on the bottom and the florals, date covers. You've got some floral deco, including date toppers, which is really nice here. And then I think that there's a 7th one squeezed in somewhere. No, I don't see it. Okay, so there's only 6 date toppers, which is interesting. So you can't use them every day, but you could use them every other day. And then some other floral pieces here. These are like blank weekly checklists, but they do have 7 lines, so you could use them as Monday through Sunday boxes. You've got some habit trackers, some unfoiled boxes, and then on this page, you've got a bunch of foiled layering items. This whole part down here has like different size flags and stuff, some little corners, some cutout boxes, and all different kinds of layering items in there, a little bit of icons, and 2 sets of headers. So it's been a while since I've used one of her kits. This does feel like a nice premium matte paper. She did not used to offer premium matte, but now I think she does. And her shop is currently on vacation, but like for an extended period of time. She closed for like about 2 months, but she will be back shortly and you can shop from her again. And I just, like I said, I think this kit is so, so cute and I can't wait to use it. So then last up for the last week in April, I'm really excited. So this week is gonna be, I'm not gonna give you all the details yet, but this is gonna be a collab plan with me that I have coming up and I'm very excited. This kit is called Secret Garden. It's from Two Little Bees and I think this is so, so stunning. So this was a collab with Danny with a Planny and Tara from the Sticker Garden. You can check both of them out on Instagram, and Tara has a YouTube channel as well. She's one of my planner friends and I am really excited to have this kit. It's so, so beautiful. It's just like absolutely stunning. This scene is just like absolutely everything. So here is the kit, and then I will show you all of the freebies and extras that came with this. This is like the oh, actually that's a freebie too. So this Two Little Bees 4-page foil kit. This is in gold foil, a little bit of deco, layering items, sidebar stuff. This page is unfoiled, has all of your kind of functional stuff, some doodly icons, a clipboard, some flags, different types of stuff. Split bottom washi, the date covers, which I absolutely love her date covers with like the little floral elements in them. So, so cute. A big clipboard for your sidebar, and then, I mean, I guess you could use it anywhere. I usually put that in my sidebar, and then these boxes as well. So then I have a few extra sheets here, a lot of extra sheets here actually, more than I typically buy on a Two Little Bees kit. This is the extra functional extra page, and this is what I usually buy with a Two Little Bees kit. You just get some extra florals, some extra deco, some extra like functional pieces that make the kit like really usable for me. So that's what I typically get. But because I love this kit so much, I ended up buying a lot more. So I also got this extra sheet, which is just like this little mini floral sheet. It also came with a freebie, with a Danny with a Planny freebie. If you put her name in the notes to seller, I believe, that has some more extra layering and floral items. And then it was also available as a journaling kit. I don't know if I'm gonna use the journaling kit elements in my weekly spread or if I'm gonna save that for a monthly spread, but I did get them, so I just thought I would show them, and I do have this to bring in, and I actually got both pages of the journaling kit for this time. It's got like stamps, deco. I actually love this piece so much. I think that's so pretty. It does match one of the full boxes. Yeah, so it's just like this really, really pretty little journaling kit, and I may save this to use as my May monthly spread, but just in case I use it in my weekly, I thought I would show it here. Anyway, that is everything for this video for my April kit lineup. I am so excited to plan in April. So much fun stuff coming up and so many fun videos coming your way. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at MyCraftyPlans to keep up with everything in my planners. Bye!